Y'all, Susie and Regina Adventures here on the Utopia of the Sea. This is deck 7, cabin 506.
Come on in. Got it?
Yep.
Come on in. All right, so upon coming in, you go ahead and they have a card here. You want to leave it here because it works your electricity, your air conditioning, and the window visor. First door when you come in, here's your bathroom. Very nice. It has the shower gel slash shampoo all in one. It also has a nice little bar in there for shaving your legs or whatever you want to use the bar for. Very nice. And there is a wire that pulls across if you want to hang up your clothes to dry. A couple of nice hooks right here on the door. Boop. All right, got that. Got a nice closet here with hangers.
Lots of hangers.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Probably pants and shirts.
Yeah.
A couch.
Nice sofa.
A nice workspace with plenty of outlets.
So you got regular outlets, you got European outlets, you got just, what do you call those ones?
European?
No. What do you call those?
European.
Anyway. You got a dryer.
Uh-huh.
Got a desk.
Comes with a passport.
And lots of
it has
drawers.
a nice little menu, so if you want to order continental breakfast, which is complimentary, it does tell you what you do have to pay for. But the continental breakfast is no charge. Very nice. You have a cooler, so you can bring your own drinks. We stocked up on some root beer.
Yeah.
Because a little hack we have is we're going to go get some soft serve ice cream in cups and make our own root beer floats.
Woohoo.
Ouch, my shoulder. Anyway, here's our other closet. This is where you find your safe.
And a couple drawers.
More drawers. Each side of the bed has a couple of cubbies and a night light, which has a plug and a USB port. Full length mirror if you want to get ready. You got these nice little hooks on the wall if you want to hang anything up, and a decent sized TV. We are in the direct front of the ship by the helipad, and there is a on the door right there. Sorry, it starts to echo over here. Echo. Anyway, and this goes up and down. It's really bright. But yeah, we got a great view of the helicopter pad.
And we can watch where we're going, huh?
Oh, I don't know what's in there, but I bet people came out of there.
No, I don't know.
It's open. See it?
Mm-hmm.
I bet that's where they do the ropes. Where the ship opens and you see like 3-4 guys standing there.
Maybe.
I bet that's how you get there. All right, so that's our room review, our cabin review. My bad. Anyway, hope you like our videos. If you find it helpful or interesting, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It'll really help us out. Like, subscribe, and share. If you're into the bonuses at the casino, go ahead and check out our other channel, Bonus Queens. Until next time, bye y'all.
Bye, y'all.